What we have here today is a very big deal. It's a 1965 Aston Martin DB5 out of 50-year ownership. It's a matching numbers factory left-hand drive example, 5-speed manual, originally delivered in Silver Birch with Red Connelly leather interior. It's never been restored. You could be the first to do so. We purchased this car out of Washington State, where it's been sitting off the road since 1996. Take a look at this. It's offered with its factory data card, its factory build sheet. This is super exciting. This is not something you're going to come across again in this lifetime. Never restored. Left-hand drive, matching numbers, DB5. Very special car here at Gullwing Motor Cars. Very straight body, very solid, complete, intact, ready for its next loving caretaker to come along and bring it back to its former glory.